Installing an operating system is rather easy, but there are problems like this we face during the installation. Hi, this is your Tech AI and welcome to my channel Tech. Today we will learn to install an operating system. To install an operating system, we need a bootable disk or a bootable pen drive and an operating system image. I prefer bootable pen drive. We can make a bootable pen drive by using a software called Rufus. So let's insert a pen drive in the USB port. Press F8 while restarting or rebooting the system to open the boot menu. Select this option to boot, or you can make a bootable disk as a priority boot device in the BIOS menu. When this page comes, press any key. Then the setup box will open. Select English India as a language as I am from India. Then press next. Then click install. Now setup is starting. If you have a genuine product key, insert here. Otherwise, click I don't have a product key. Then click next. Here, select the version of operating system. Windows 10 Pro I have selected and click next. Accept the license terms and click next. Here, either you can upgrade your system, keeping the file settings and applications intact, or you can do a fresh installation of operating system, which is recommended. Make sure to backup your files before doing a fresh installation. In the next page, you need to select the disk or partition. Select a partition to install your OS on it. Then click on Apply. A pop-up box will come to tell you that it will create another small partition for some window files. Click OK. Now you can see two partitions are created. Click Next. So copy of window installation files are started. After copying out the file, the system will reboot. But here, you no need to press F8 again. Setup its starting services, getting the system ready. In the meanwhile, look at my keyboard. The system is rebooting again. As it is already selected India, click Yes. Now you have to select the right keyboard. Right now we will select English India and click on Yes. You want to do the second layout? If yes, okay. Otherwise, click No. Now it will ask for connect to the internet. So you can press I don't have internet now to go to the next step. Now it will ask for so many other options. You can continue with limited setup as you are not connected to the internet. The window reboots again. Now you can put your username and password. Now accept these settings. Click Yes. Not now. If you want Cortana, you can proceed. Hi, and we are getting everything ready for you. Don't turn off your PC. Yeah, if you turn off your PC, you have to do the setup again. Almost there. So we reached the point where our Windows installation is complete. As you can see, the disks are dynamic. We have to convert it to static. Today we learn how to install an operating system. We will meet again on the next tech video. Till then, stay safe, stay subscribed.